When unexpected issues occur in your Galaxy S26 and you've used up all the possible solutions to no avail, the option you have left is Reset. There are several reset options you can use, so continue watching as I'm going to explain what they're for, when to use them, and how they are done. Hi everyone, this is Grace, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Today, I will show you how to reset all settings in your Galaxy S26 without deleting your files, how to reset mobile network, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth settings, how to reset the accessibility settings, and finally, how to factory reset your phone to fix persistent problems you might be facing. The first on our list is how to reset all settings on your Galaxy S26 without deleting your files and data. What it does is return your system-level preferences, such as your display brightness, ringtones, and notification layouts, back to their original factory defaults. Importantly, your photos, apps, and personal files remain completely untouched, though you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and repair your Bluetooth devices. You'll be needing it if your phone starts acting sluggish, experiencing unusual battery drain, or if you've tweaked a setting you can't find and want to return the interface to a like-new state without the hassle of a full factory reset. This is how it's done. Open Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Select Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. In the next screen, you may read the information on the screen, then tap the Reset Settings button at the bottom. You will be prompted to enter your password, PIN, or pattern. After that, tap the Reset option at the bottom to proceed. Your phone will then reboot, and you can continue using it after that. Next on our list is how to reset mobile network settings on your Galaxy S26. What it does is return your cellular-related configurations, specifically your mobile data settings and access point names, or APNs, to their original factory state. This process targets the cellular connection specifically, and while it won't touch your apps or photos, it may require your phone to re-authenticate with your carrier's network. You'll be needing it if you're experiencing persistent issues with your 5G or LTE connection, if you can't send or receive text messages despite having a signal, or if your mobile data simply stops working after an update or a trip abroad. To do this, go back to the General Management menu in Settings again, then tap Reset. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap Reset Settings at the bottom of the screen. Enter your password or pattern, then tap Reset to confirm. Your phone won't reboot, so you may continue using it after this. If you have issues with cellular data, check again, and it might be fixed. Moving along, we have the option to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your Galaxy S26. What it does is specifically target and clear your wireless connection history, deleting all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords while also unpairing every Bluetooth device currently saved to your phone. You'll be needing it if you are experiencing intermittent connection drops, failing to sync with external accessories, or having trouble authenticating with a router that previously worked perfectly. Just go back to the screen where you can find the other options. This time, tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Tap Reset Settings at the bottom of the screen. After that, you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and repair your Bluetooth devices with your phone. But any Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-related issues you might have been experiencing should be fixed after this. Up next is the option to reset your accessibility settings on your Galaxy S26. What it does is return all specialized interface features, like TalkBack, high contrast text, and hearing enhancements, back to their original factory defaults without affecting your personal data or other system configurations. You'll be needing it if you've accidentally toggled a feature that makes your phone difficult to navigate, or if you're experiencing glitches with specific visibility or interaction tools and want to restore the default user experience. Going back to the same screen, select Reset Accessibility Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button at the bottom, then enter your security passcode or pattern. Tap Reset to confirm you want to do it. The reset will take a second or two, and all accessibility settings will be brought back to factory defaults. The final and most comprehensive option is the Factory Data Reset for your Galaxy S26. What it does is completely erase the phone's internal storage, returning the device to its original out-of-the-box state. Please be warned that this will permanently delete all of your files, photos, apps, and personal data which is why performing a full backup is absolutely necessary before proceeding. You'll be needing it if you are facing severe, persistent software issues that other resets couldn't fix, or if you are planning to sell or trade in your phone and need to ensure your personal information is entirely removed. To do the factory reset, go back to the same screen as with other reset options. Now take a bit of time backing up your important files and data. You can use cloud backup or external storage. Once ready, tap the Factory Data Reset option. On the next screen, scroll all the way down and tap Reset to proceed. Enter your security lock to confirm, and then tap Delete All. It will take about a minute or two before the reset will complete. After that, you have to set up your phone again as if it's new. This procedure mostly fixes all software-related issues with any phone. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.